Welcome to this video on some lovely fresh stock that we've just got in at our York site. So this is a 2018 68 registration Mercedes E300 Coupe. This is the AMG line and it does also come with the premium package. So it is finished in Obsidian Black metallic. You do get the LED high performance headlights as standard on this car. If we move around to the side, you can see it does come with the 19-inch AMG alloy wheels and the privacy glass to the rear. You do also get the electric tailgate on this car. And as we move in to the car, as this is the premium, you do get the memory package to both the front seats, and of course they are heated as well. Functions for your folding mirrors. So it does come with the black leather and dinamica interior. You do get the full leather steering wheel with your paddle shifts and your cruise control functions. You might have also noticed the interior ambient lighting, which runs across the whole dashboard with the upgraded aluminium with crystal cut interior trim. You do have the widescreen display, which has your Comand satellite navigation and your rear camera, Bluetooth, etc. through there. Your wireless charging pad is in the center console, along with your touchpad and your dynamic select functions down there. So there it is, our 2018 Mercedes E300 Coupe. It has done just over 37,000 miles, so still very low mileage for the age. If you do have any questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133. Thank you.